I'm going to share with you how to manifest money effortlessly. So when I say effortless, how does that make you feel? Share in the comments below. When I say effortless, how does that make you feel? I want to share with you how to manifest money effortlessly. So before we get into the video, I just want to remind you, we have a lot of free coaching resources. And also, if you're an entrepreneur and you are struggling with self-doubt, limiting beliefs, procrastination, and your desire is to increase your income, we provide free mindset breakthrough calls where we do a full diagnosis on your mind to find out exactly what is stopping you from increasing your income. So you can book a free call with us. All the details are in the description. So now let's get started. In order for you to manifest money effortlessly, you have to understand that you do not manifest what you want. You only manifest who you are. Let me repeat that. You do not manifest what you want. You only manifest who you are. And who you are is your self-concept, your self-image, your self-worth. So what that means is what you believe to be true about yourself. So you have to ask yourself, what do I believe to be true about money? What is my relationship with regards to money? So ask yourself this. Whenever you spend money, how do you think and feel? Whenever you receive money, how do you think and feel? And how do you act around money? That will tell you exactly who you are in relation to money. You have to understand your self-concept is basically made out of your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions. So when it comes to change your self-concept with regards to money, you have to see yourself as the person who is now basically receiving money effortlessly and who is already wealthy and abundant. So even though you do not see that in your bank account now, remember, the 3D is simply a reflection of your mindset. So if you accept and assume right now that you are already wealthy and abundant and that money comes to you effortlessly, the 3D will then catch up to your new mindset, and the 3D will then reflect your new mindset. And that's when you now see evidences of you manifesting money effortlessly and of you being wealthy and abundant. Why? Is because you change how you see yourself. Because when you change your self-concept, you change how you see yourself and how you view the world. As Neville Goddard said, when you change your conception of yourself, your entire world will change automatically. What is your conception of yourself? It's your self-concept. What is your self-concept? It's what you believe to be true about yourself. So ask yourself again, what do you believe to be true about yourself in relation to money? Do you believe that you have to work hard? Do you believe that you have to hustle? Do you believe that you have to grind? Are you waiting for money? Are you waiting for your manifestations? Are you waiting? Or do you actually believe that you are already wealthy and abundant? Or are you still waiting for your wealth and abundance? Because you have to understand, waiting implies lack. When you are waiting for something, you are telling yourself that you do not have it. Manifestation is simple. All manifestation requires is just for you to accept that you are the person who already has your desire. Yes, that's right. All you need to do is just apply the law of assumption. The law of assumption states that you just need to assume that you are already the person who has your desire right now. That's it. And that's how you manifest money effortlessly.